Hello everybody, it's Jeff here with another installment of AZCAMERA Reviews. And today I'm going to talk about my MacBook Pro. Now, for the longest time I've been waiting to buy a external shell for this so that it doesn't damage the outside. And recently I just saw this Benwis SlimMate hard case for MacBook. And I've got a MacBook Pro M1. So I'm gonna do an unboxing on this and I'm gonna put it into the shell, show you guys how it goes in. This is the front of the box. This is what the back of the box looks like. And I'm gonna open it up and see what's inside. Okay, so when you open it up, that's what it looks like. And it looks like I've got a nice keyboard cover, which is really nice. It keeps all the dust and the dirt out. That's a little added extra. And then this is the actual shell. And it comes in this plastic bag. See, the bag is sealed on all sides. So let's just rip the bag off. Okay, rip the bag. And let's take the top off. So this is the top. And then there's this piece of foam between it. And then this is the bottom of the shell. And you'll also notice that there's holes for ventilation on either side. And then there's 4 rubber feet. So let's see how this thing goes on. Okay, so here's the front of your MacBook, and there's the little indentation, and that's gonna slide right in like that. You can see how that went on there, and you can see it says MacBook. You can see it through. And now we'll just take the top. We'll see how the top is gonna go on. Okay, let's see. Okay, so what you're gonna do is there's a small little indentation here, and then there's where you do all your plugins, and you're just gonna click that on top like this. Okay, and there you go. See how that looks? Okay, and you can see your Mac insignia right here. It's nice, has a good look to it. And there you go. I'm Jeff with AZCAMERA Reviews saying please watch us, please like us, please share us, and most of all, hit that button below and please subscribe. Until next time, bye-bye.